Hello kids, welcome to the Coloring with Colors. In this video, we will learn some shapes and colors. Circle, we are filling purple color in the circle. Square, we are filling blue color in the square. Triangle, we are filling green color in the triangle. Lips, we are filling baby pink color in the lips. Cross, we are filling yellow color in the cross. Star, we are filling orange color in the star. Heart, we are filling red color in the heart. Crescent, we are filling light green color in the crescent. Pentagon, we are filling dark pink color in the pentagon. Diamond, we are filling brown color in the diamond. Hexagon, we are filling blue color in the hexagon. Trapezium, we are filling baby pink in trapezium. Arrow, we are filling orange color in the arrow. Parallelogram, we are filling light green in the parallelogram. Octagon, we are filling dark green color in the octagon. Polygon, red color, we are filling red color in polygon.